Hey friends, who's hungry? Enjoy the refreshing taste of this sweet and creamy, easy to make lemon icebox pie. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Separate 3 eggs. Set the egg whites aside and beat the egg yolks until frothy. Add 1 10-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk and 5 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. Once combined, pour the mixture into a prepared graham cracker pie crust. In a separate bowl, beat the reserved egg whites until soft peaks form. Add 1/4 cup of sugar and 1/8 teaspoon of cream of tartar and continue to beat until stiff peaks form. Top the pie with the meringue, then bake the pie for 10 minutes just until the meringue starts to brown on top. Chill the pie for 4 hours before serving. Looking for more recipes? Watch my next video and be sure to subscribe to my channel.